All right, picture this. Your office just got hit with a ransomware attack. Files are locked, emails down, and half the staff is standing around asking if they should reboot the Wi-Fi. Do you have a plan? And more importantly, has your team ever practiced that plan? That's exactly what a tabletop exercise is for. Now, what's a tabletop exercise? It's basically a what-if scenario where your team talks through how they respond to a crisis. No wires, no drills, no Hollywood-style hacker typing. Just sit around a table or a Zoom call and walk step by step through what would happen. Think of it like a fire drill for your business. But instead of smoke and sprinklers, it's ransomware, power outages, and dare I say, another pandemic. So why bother? A few reasons. First, it helps to find the gaps in your plan before reality does. It's better to discover your oops moment in practice than an actual attack. Second, it builds confidence. Your team is calmer when they've practiced what to do, instead of panicking and Googling what is ransomware in the moment. Third, it can prove preparedness to regulators, insurers, and clients, especially if you're in industries like finance, healthcare, or law. And finally, it reduces downtime. The faster you respond, the less money and trust you lose. Here are a few real-world scenarios you might want to run through. Someone clicks a bad email and now all your files are encrypted. 365 goes offline on tax deadline day. An employee laptop gets stolen from their car. You get a login attempt from another country, or the office loses power for days. None of these are fun, but talking them through ahead of time makes them way less painful. And here's the kicker. Tabletop exercises aren't just for big corporations with massive IT budgets. Small businesses, especially in accounting, legal, and healthcare, benefit just as much. It doesn't take time, but it can save you a ton of trouble down the road.